Now, most of the keyword research that we have done to this point involves what I call two-dimensional data. That is, looking at the number of searches for a specific time period. To add another dimension to the data, it involves looking at an extended time period. And that's why I really enjoy using Google Trends as a way to get that three-dimensional data. So understanding that just because a certain keyword is popular for a certain amount of time does not always mean that that keyword is popular all of the time. There are trends and seasonal variations that you have to account for. Many times, a lot of marketers are always asked, why does traffic go down certain times of the year? When you understand the trend, it will help you understand the peaks and valleys of specific keywords and concepts throughout the year. And nearly every industry has annual trends and forces within their year that they have to be aware of, and this keyword research, made available by Google Trends, enables you to be much more aware of those trends. Now, in this particular instance on Google Trends, we're evaluating two terms, our Napa Valley Wine Tour and Napa Valley Wine Tours. We can see that Wine Tours is searched on much more than Wine Tour, and we can also get a sense of when it is searched on. One thing I love to do is get a screen capture and then overlay bars for specific times of the year. I love using December as my last bar for that specific year, because most of the time for certain products, that is a clear indicator of one year compared to the next year. For this keyword, we can see that December is traditionally the low point for each keyword, and we can see that January begins the trend for people searching for next year. So by isolating the phrase, the yearly trend, and also compared to other years, we can get a sense for how to predict the next year or two based on the level of demand historically for each keyword.